It is so beautiful today, absolutely spectacular blue sky sunshine day that I decided to have an impromptu open house here, oceanfront, no kidding, oceanfront. And I'm here at 20 Melrose, so come say hello. If this is a property you worked so darn hard for, you need to enjoy this time. I'm also going to give you a real quick tour of the living space so you have an idea on what you can get. So here we go. Beautiful living space, high-end appliances, Spazi cabinetry from Spain, and a quick tour of the primary bedroom. This is your own personal spa. Imagine waking up to this every morning. So, if this is for you, call or text me.